Welcome to the School of Biomedical Engineering presentation. For those of you who are not familiar, biomedical engineering is the application of engineering principles to improve healthcare. Medical devices such as pacemakers, artificial hips, and prosthetic limbs are examples of biomedical engineering products, as well as stem cell engineering and the 3D printing of biological organs. It is a very diverse field that demands a problem-solving attitude, critical thinking, a solid foundation in math, chemistry, physics, and communication. The SBME is a joint program between the Faculty of Applied Science and the Faculty of Medicine. What is it like in the SBME undergraduate program? Our students help to shape the future of medicine. We have dedicated courses and we offer hands-on experience to help equip students with their future careers. First-year engineering students will often follow a common course schedule. However, students intending to pursue a biomedical engineering degree may choose to apply for a slightly modified set of courses in year one, called the PBME STT. Students who do not take the PBME STT are still able to apply for BME during their second year placement, but they will need to take a few extra courses to meet our program requirements. What can you expect to do in your degree? Students will have lectures, labs, seminars, group projects, opportunities to go on exchange programs and co-ops, and students can join design teams. At the end of their fourth year, students will work on a capstone project where they will apply the knowledge and skills that they have learned to solve real-world problems. Here are some of the learning themes that you can begin focusing on at the end of your second year: biomedical informatics, biomechanics and biomaterials, cellular bioengineering, biomedical systems and signals. These choices allow you to tailor your interests within the biomedical engineering field. What can I expect from my student experience? The biomedical engineering degree is a new program. Our first-class cohort graduated in May 2021, and our program is now accredited. Our students have access to modern facilities, laboratories, dedicated faculty members, and a supportive student services team. Students can also join some of our clubs, which will inspire your creativity, foster a sense of community, learning, and also provide opportunities to work on design and special projects. Our program has enthusiastic students from diverse backgrounds who are pursuing a common goal. You'll be delving deeply into a topic that you are excited about, and you'll have the flexibility and the resources to grow academically, professionally, and personally. BME students will also be provided with opportunities to engage in undergraduate research during their school terms or in the summer. What is the industry demand for biomedical engineering? The biomedical engineering is a rapidly growing and evolving industry. There is a great need for professionals to continue advancing new technologies for the health and well-being of humanity. What career options can I pursue from my degree? Our alumni typically finds jobs in industries, hospitals, or continue studying to pursue a graduate program. Career paths in biomedical engineering tend to be driven by the interests of the individual. Biomaterials, systems and signals, orthopedic repair, stem cell engineering, research and development, and many other fields. Further career options may be starting their own business, managing a company, or consulting. Some examples of major companies that are directly related to biomedical engineers are Abcelera, Stem Cell Technologies, Zymeworks, and Pfizer. Biomedical engineers work in a variety of settings and disciplines. There are opportunities in industry for innovating, designing, and developing new technologies, and also working with cutting-edge technology. One of our SPME students defines her role as the following. We are problem solvers. Biomedical engineers create new solutions to old problems and dream big about what we want the future of global healthcare to look like. Thank you so much for listening.